The Nilight ZH002 20-inch 126-watt spot flood combo LED light bar is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for off-road enthusiasts and heavy-duty equipment operators. Featuring a combination of spot and flood beams, this light bar provides both focused distance lighting and wide-angle coverage, ensuring excellent visibility in various conditions. The kit includes two 18-watt 4-inch LED pods, adding extra brightness and versatility for different mounting locations. Built for durability, the light bar and pods are crafted with robust materials, making them resistant to water, dust, and impact. This ensures reliable performance in tough environments, whether you're navigating rugged trails or working late hours with tractors. The included 16 AWG wiring harness with 3 leads simplifies installation and supports multiple lighting setups. With a 2-year warranty, the Nilight ZH002 kit offers peace of mind and excellent value for its price. It's an ideal choice for enhancing safety and